This is Lakeshore Plaza, one of Chicago's most luxurious apartments. In it, you will find the most beautiful patios, pool, gorgeous apartments over here, as well as hot tubs, fitness center. The amenities are not even the epitome of this building. These views are insane. They make up the apartment. They make the apartment look so beautiful. So we're gonna be checking all of that out today with our beautiful Ani, who's gonna be showing us her apartment today. It's gonna be a studio apartment, and it's gonna be lovely and even pet friendly. Let's go inside together. Hello.
Hi, how are you? Did you make it safely?
Yes. Oh, this is a beautiful apartment.
Thank you.
Okay. You want to take a seat, show us around?
Absolutely. I actually prepared some refreshments for you.
Oh, let's go take a look at the refreshment first, because I'm all for food. Okay. She was ready for us. This right here.
It's a charcuterie board.
Is a what?
Charcuterie board.
You hear that? Charcuterie board.
Charcuterie board.
You guys, she prepared for us, made this special. Okay, the views is already catching me right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just moved in about 2-3 weeks ago.
2-3 weeks ago?
I didn't know that the view was going to be as amazing as it is.
It is amazing. I see the pool down there as well. That is so crazy.
When I got here, it was just tarp, so I didn't know that was going to end up being a pool. I guess I don't know, premium use.
Premium.
God's always looking out for me.
Oh, that's right. Okay, I'm excited to definitely take a tour around, show us around. This is your beautiful home, and we're in your space, so tour us.
Welcome.
Okay.
So this right here is the heartbeat of my entire place.
Okay.
This is my kitchen. I did make a couple of adjustments by adding the pink backsplash, and then the pink KitchenAid to match.
This is so cool.
Thank you.
It's so soft.
Thank you so much. It's definitely DIY, so don't look too closely.
No, that looks very good. You wouldn't be able to tell at all. That looks very... This right here, can you tell us about this?
Yeah, so my favorite thing about that is the fact that I got it on discount. It was a total of, I want to think, less than $200.
$200?
And it's pink. It fits right into the theme that I was going for.
Definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you some questions as we walk around this place.
Yeah.
So what's the most unusual item in your house? What would you say?
Unusual? Probably my cups.
I want to see it. What is so unusual about a cup?
I don't have a cup set. I have a whole bunch of random glasses.
The wall could tuck right now. What would it tell us right now?
PG or PG-13?
Whatever the vibe is. Okay, show the living room. I love this TV.
And I do have this farm chest. I wanted something like this because I do have a lot of misfit cups.
Definitely love the views. What is your favorite part about the views? Like, do you like the sunrise, sunset? What is your vibe?
Probably right when the sun sets and everybody's like home. I like watching all of the lights and everything just slowly cut off.
You like stalking people, is that what you're saying?
You know what? You can call it that. I just want to see their electricity, not them.
Okay, so I see that you did a lot of DIY and decorating. What is definitely your worst and your best DIY in this home?
My worst is the backsplash.
That was so pretty.
My best DIY.
It has to be the charcuterie board because that looks very good. Very good.
I would say that my best is also the backsplash.
So the best is the backsplash, the worst is the backsplash.
Yes, because the backsplash tied together and laid the foundation for the rest of my space.
Okay. And you said you recently just moved in here, right?
I did.
Okay, so what is the most unusual thing you found in your house?
Oh, I have an entire box from the person that was here on me. So if you want some cups and plates.
You guys want some cups and plates?
If you want some.
Let her know. She got you with the cups and plates.
Let her know I don't answer my phone.
Well, don't let me know, cause Okay, so this home is great. Definitely love it. I'm excited to eat that right now. But do you have any amenities here? Anything outside of this beautiful apartment?
Absolutely. We have resident lounge, pool, grills, everything that you would find in your standard apartment.
What is your favorite part?
The doorman.
The doorman?
The doorman.
That's an amenity?
To me.
Okay, what about the doorman?
Nobody steals my Uber Eats. They come straight to my door.
If you're in Chicago, you understand. Your Uber Eat order,
they'll snatch it up. Swear to God.
if the driver doesn't eat it, somebody else will eat it. So
So the doorman.
Okay, so
we have 4.
4?
Leroy, Annette, Derek, and what's his name? Oh, I forgot his name.
You've been here for like a month and you know all of them.
Yes. I like
Interesting.
I like to get to know the people who help me.
Definitely. Okay, so do you want us to go take a look at it right now or eat
Let's
first?
sit down and eat, and then depending how we feel, maybe we can take this food outside.
Okay. I'm excited to eat. We're gonna be asking a lot of sweet questions over food, so don't go nowhere. Just stay with us while we eat. You're gonna be missed though, but you guys are invited to join us. Eat the food. Cheers.
So this is a little something I put together to complement the wine. I have a white aged cheddar. I do have a dry salami with some apple slices in it, smoked Gouda, raspberries, some kiwis, and of course the classic brie cheese.
Fried cheese?
Brie cheese. And then we also have some olives that were soaked in a garlic vinegar.
Oh. And some kiwis, my favorite fruit.
Yeah? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
We do have
kiwis.
I put them here just for a little showing. You know, a little razzle dazzle.
What is that and what is that?
We have a pita cracker, and then I would say out of all these cheeses, this is the only one I put together. When you told me you were coming yesterday, I made a pistachio cream cheese dip,
Especially for me.
especially for you, and it's just cream cheese with some pistachio inside.
Which one is cream cheese? This one?
That one.
Which one of these is sweet?
A sweet, the fruit.
So you're telling me all the cheese is sour?
All of the cheese is smoked and savory, yes. I would say that this one's the closest one to being sweet. I can even get you some honey if you want some.
No. Okay.
Okay?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Also, a nice patio as well. They're even close to Target right here for your groceries. Also, 3 a.m. snacks for you to come enjoy some beautiful bakeries. Beautiful park to walk through with your dog as well. This view is insane, okay? Like, you cannot tell me otherwise.